So I've been trying out different makeup looks for my after party look since I've finally picked out what I want to wear. And I can't have my makeup artist with me all night, so I'm gonna touch myself up. I heard about this touch-up kit from Mally Beauty and David's Bridal. It's a concealer just for my under eye, just to brighten up a little, since I'm gonna be doing so much dancing. And then I'll be using the Shadow Stick and Moonlight in the corner of my eyes. That way they'll really pop in photos. And then I'll use the same stick on my cheek for a little highlight. Then to lock it all in, I'll use the Face Defender. Makes everything matte and poreless. Now it's all locked in and I can continue dancing and partying.